Hi and welcome back. My name is Emily. In this video we are going to create two grad cards. I hope that makes sense. I'm using the new really fun grad sentiment. It's this large die set with the word grad, and I am using for my two cards I am creating one in sort of the brighter, it's all bright I would say, but I used one that is more yellow and pink and one that is more green and teal colored for my sentiments here. You can see this set comes with a shadow piece as well as the more intricate piece. They are quite large, a nice size to fill up the main portion of this card front. And I will also be using this new hot foiling plate from Trinity. This one is called Graduate Tassel, and I hot foiled it in some satin gold foil from Spellbinders. You can see I got a lot of over foiling. This was the first time I tried foiling with this set, and I think for all of your sets you have to try what works best. I had a lot of shims in this just to get a really nice impression. I really pressed those letters into the paper, and then I used sort of this yellow gold shade of color from Concord and Night, and I combine it with a polka dot pattern. This is a background stamp that also is new from Trinity, and I will raise that up with some foam dimension, and then I will also try to line all of the letters up to the best of my ability. I think it turned out okay. On top of that I will take my hot foil sentiment, congratulations grad, and a little hat here. And this hat was previously released from Trinity Stamps. It's congratulations. I believe it was released last year, and I created another card the exact same way, and then I embellished it with some stars because I think our graduates are stars, so I thought that was quite fitting for this project. So that was pretty much the cards. We had some hot foiling, some stacking of sentiments, and that fun background stamp. I hope you enjoyed this video and got inspired to create some simple cards using cardstocks and some of the new products from Trinity. I will have all of the products linked down below if you're interested in checking them out. And till next time, I hope you have a great day. Bye!